Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy holidays. Elliot Harrison here with you. It's Week 17 Power Rankings. You see the Bucs there. You know, they had a chance. They had a real chance against the Panthers. They weren't able to do it. Unfortunately, it has not been their year. The lack of a running game has really hurt them most of the year. Jameis Winston, he can't fumble the ball. More pocket presence from him. But either way, Tampa at 26. They'll be better next year. I think you see the Dolphins are at 25. They lost. Broncos lost. Jets lost. Colts lost. Giants lost. Texans lost. And the Browns lost again. Can they get a win? That's the real question. The Bills need a win. They need to stay relevant in the playoffs. They have not been there since 1999. I'm sure you know that already. What you may not know is that they need help. And one of the things they need to happen is for the Chargers to lose. The Bills, you see there at 17. Redskins, they got to win. Redskins are finishing strong, as are the Cardinals. Titans actually showed up this week, didn't get the win, as did the Raiders. They showed up, didn't get the win. Packers looked awful. Bears, they've been looking better. And the Bengals, hey, give them credit for showing up and playing football when a lot of people thought they were going to mail it in. Okay, Seattle did not mail it in. They go to Dallas. They didn't play a great game. Their offense does not look good. The Cowboys did everything they could to lose, but you have to give the Seahawks' depleted defense a lot of credit. They've got that win for Pete Carroll. You see them at 13. The Chargers, as we said, playing for the playoffs, as are the Falcons. They play the Panthers this week. Ravens have looked better. The Chiefs have really looked better. Cowboys were terrible. 49ers, what can you say? My goodness. And Detroit Lions, maybe the flop of the week from them going to Cincinnati and losing. Rams didn't flop. They had a tougher game than some people expected down in Nashville, but I think Todd Gurley has cemented at least serious consideration for the MVP candidacy. And I tell you what, running backs aren't considered enough in this day and age. We'll see if he gets it. Rams there at the cleanup spot. 1, 2, and 3 are the same. Patriots still the best team. Vikings most consistent. Pittsburgh still at 3. It did make some moves here, though. The Rams and Saints both moved up over the Eagles, who looked bad against the Raiders. The Panthers didn't look great. They do move up a spot, though, because Jacksonville lost. Again, New England, the best team in the league. And those are your Week 17 Power Rankings.